I have been part of this Global Skills Partnership led by the British Council, working really closely with the KP Economic Zone. This has been a really key project with the setup of the Industry Advisory Task Group. The benefit of this group is that it's been able to undertake deep research into what the industry skills needs are, to be able to support the industry grow with its aspiration to export and import some of the products and services. And skills are at the heart of that. The competency of the workforce is really critical.
The labor market intelligence was the first thing that we did in this program. And this study actually identified that there are lots of certifications that are required and are now must for the companies to be able to export their goods to international market.
IITG is a focal board for this project, जिसमें हमें इंडस्ट्री से डिमांड आ रही है कि जी हमें डिमांड क्या है। उसी डिमांड को देखते हुए हम उनके लिए स्किल वर्कर्स जो है वो हम वहाँ पे ट्रेन करेंगे जी इन डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस और यूनिवर्सिटीज़, और वही जो डिमांड थी इंडस्ट्री की वो हम उनको प्रोवाइड करेंगे।
This board will help now scale up our activities throughout this Hattar industry state at first stage and later on whole of KP. And the most interesting thing that we are also talking the regulatory requirement for export that our local industry doesn't know. So we will train them also for in this sector.
हमारी एक टीम यूके में गई है, विजिट किया है, उनकी WBT सिस्टम को स्टडी किया कि वो लोग किस बिहाफ पे और किस तरह से अपना WBT को लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। वहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट का बड़ा हाथ है WBT को लॉन्च करने में या WBT को कामयाब बनाने में। इंडस्ट्री का भी फ़ायदा है और जो ट्रेनिंग होगा उसको भी फ़ायदा होगा।
ये सारा जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये बड़ा सक्सेसफुल है। रिसेंटली MDC के थ्रू मैंने पर्सनली विजिट भी किया है जो यूके में। आल दो 4-5 डेज़ का ट्रिप था, लेकिन वो उसका इम्पैक्ट इतना था कि जो हमारा 30 इयर्स के एक्सपीरियंस से भी ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट था। अब हमारे डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट चाह रहे हैं कि वो दोबारा जाए और इन चीज़ों को देखें और यहाँ आके इम्प्लीमेंट करें।
In Pakistan, unfortunately, literacy rate is not good, but this type of session, people can be educated and they can add value in their lives, not only in their industry, for the country as well.
We have been engaging with more than 18 companies from food and beverage sector. They have come up with their needs. One of the biggest costs that they've identified is now a must for food beverage sector is food safety and security. If as a result of this partnership, we are able to bring that course in Pakistan to be delivered by Pakistani training providers, I think that will be a great achievement for our program.
I think what's really exciting about this project is that with the IATG now in place, there is an opportunity for that public-private partnership dialogue to really take place.
Together we can make this change. It's not working on one dot. Actually, this is connecting the dots, and we can make a line if we connect these dots. Otherwise, the dots will remain dots if there is no connection. So let's draw this line of success.
I want to appreciate today's workshop. I mean, it was really excellent for Hattar Industrial Estate and for all employees and especially the managers working in this area. Because, this type of sessions, people, they get motivated, they got knowledge, and then we can use such type of information in our industry to improve our productivity and skill.
एंड में मैं जी शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा पर्टिकुलरली ब्रिटिश काउंसिल का to make this IITG board with people first in KP Economic Zone and all the stakeholders which are involved with IITG. Thank you.